Hello, this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing of two Vertex 3 MAX IOPS edition SSDs. Well, I had already done a unboxing of the non-MAX IOPS version, so this is essentially going to be the exact same thing in the box. I will also in a future video show you benchmark performance between the standard version and the MAX IOPS edition, so that any of you considering getting one of these can see the difference you'll get. And I will also show you benchmark numbers of two of these in a RAID 0, which should show some nice numbers there. Alright, so let's see how I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay, now continuing forward. Tilted up my iPhone. And let's open the side here. Now, let's open the bottom. So in all these boxes you get, this is a tray to convert your drive to use it in a standard 3.5-inch drive bay. Oh, and I'm also going to show the difference between running these on an Intel controller versus a Marvel controller. Here's the solid state drive, and these are screws. Mounting screws. And here we go. The MAX IOPS. And of course, here's your SATA power, and that's where your SATA cable goes into. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my video showing a benchmark comparison of two of these in RAID 0 and Intel versus Marvel controller, and this versus the non-IOPS edition version. And in 1 second I'll show you both of them unboxed together. And here you have everything together. Two MAX IOPS SSDs, two trays that come with it. My SSD is faster than your HDD stickers, instruction manuals on how to use this, which no one really needs. The boxes. One thing interesting to note, these are the sleeves that these came in. One is way bigger than the other. I wonder why. Otherwise, everything came the same. Alright, please like and subscribe. Watch my videos benchmarking these in different configurations.